Have you ever imagined that the bamboo plant growing in forests could one day become the soft t-shirt you're wearing? Today, we're taking you inside a fascinating manufacturing journey that transforms simple bamboo plants into comfortable, breathable, and eco-friendly clothing. From harvesting giant bamboo stalks to producing soft fabrics and stylish garments, this process combines nature, technology, and sustainability in an incredible way. Stay until the end to discover why bamboo clothing is becoming one of the fastest-growing trends in the fashion industry. The journey begins in large bamboo plantations. Unlike traditional cotton, bamboo grows extremely fast and can reach maturity within just a few years. It requires very little water and usually doesn't need chemical fertilizers or pesticides. Workers carefully harvest mature bamboo stalks and transport them to processing facilities. After harvesting, the bamboo is cleaned and sorted according to quality and size. Only the best bamboo stalks move forward to the next stage of production. Once the bamboo arrives at the factory, powerful industrial machines begin breaking the stalks into smaller pieces. These pieces are crushed and processed to extract cellulose, the natural material that forms the basis of bamboo fabric. Cellulose is one of the most important natural compounds used in textile manufacturing. The extraction process is carefully controlled to ensure maximum quality while reducing waste. At this stage, the hard bamboo plant is gradually transformed into a soft raw material suitable for fabric production. Next comes one of the most fascinating steps. The purified cellulose is processed and converted into fine fibers. Specialized equipment stretches and forms these fibers into long strands. These strands are incredibly soft and lightweight. Many people are surprised to learn that bamboo fibers can feel smoother than cotton and even resemble premium fabrics such as silk. The fibers are carefully inspected to ensure consistency, strength, and quality before moving on to spinning. Now it's time to transform the bamboo fibers into yarn. Large spinning machines twist thousands of fibers together to create strong and uniform threads. This process requires incredible precision because even small variations can affect the quality of the final fabric. Modern factories use advanced computer-controlled systems to maintain perfect consistency. The finished bamboo yarn is wound onto large spools and prepared for weaving and knitting operations. At this stage, the material is beginning to look much more like a traditional textile. The bamboo yarn now enters giant textile machines. Depending on the final product, the yarn is either woven or knitted into fabric. Thousands of threads move simultaneously at high speed to create smooth and durable textiles. The fabric produced during this stage is soft, breathable, and naturally moisture-wicking. These characteristics make bamboo clothing especially popular in warm climates and active lifestyles. As the fabric rolls off the machines, workers continuously inspect it for defects to maintain high manufacturing standards. Once the fabric is complete, it moves to the dyeing department. Here, manufacturers add colors ranging from classic black and white to vibrant modern fashion shades. Industrial dyeing systems ensure that color is evenly distributed throughout the fabric. After dyeing, the fabric undergoes several finishing treatments. These treatments improve softness, durability, wrinkle resistance, and overall appearance. The result is a premium quality textile ready for garment production. At this stage, the bamboo fabric is almost ready to become wearable fashion. The finished fabric is transported to the garment. Manufacturing section. Computer-guided cutting machines precisely cut the fabric into individual clothing components. These pieces include sleeves, collars, pockets, front panels, and back panels. Skilled sewing teams then assemble these components into finished garments. Every stitch is carefully monitored to ensure strength and durability. Whether producing t-shirts, hoodies, athletic wear, or casual clothing, the goal is always the same: creating comfortable, high-quality products for consumers around the world. Before reaching customers, every garment passes through rigorous quality inspections. Workers examine stitching, fabric quality, sizing accuracy, and overall appearance. Any defective products are removed immediately. The approved garments are then folded, tagged, packaged, and prepared for shipment. Modern distribution centers handle thousands of clothing items every day, sending them to retailers and customers worldwide. This final step ensures that every product meets the expectations of today's fashion-conscious consumers. Bamboo clothing is becoming increasingly popular because it offers several unique advantages. The fabric is soft, lightweight, breathable, and comfortable for everyday wear. Many consumers also appreciate bamboo's sustainability benefits. Because bamboo grows rapidly and requires fewer resources than many traditional crops, it is often considered a more environmentally friendly option. As demand for sustainable fashion continues to rise, bamboo textiles are expected to play an even larger role in the future of clothing manufacturing. And that's how ordinary bamboo plants are transformed into stylish, comfortable clothing through an incredible industrial process. From harvesting and fiber extraction to weaving, sewing, and packaging, every step demonstrates the amazing combination of nature and modern manufacturing technology. If you enjoyed this fascinating factory journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing manufacturing and production videos from Factory View. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next factory adventure.